Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan and I'm happy to have you. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. I appreciate the continued support. Yes, I am in my pajamas very unapologetically. I am fresh out of the shower. I came home from work and I felt gross. There's really nothing else to it. I had a full face of makeup on and I just wanted to wash my face, take a shower, get the day gone, and get comfy in my pajamas. So this is not going to be a putting makeup on. I will do a second video, but I got my Boxycharm today and I wanted to do an unboxing and I wanted to do it now. This one is Boxy and Chill. So if you are not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. They have cosmetics and sometimes like skincare things. It's generally 5. It says 4 to 5 on the website. I don't think I've ever only gotten 4 items. I think I've gotten 6 items, but never 4. But they're full-size products, unlike a lot of other subscription boxes where you just get like sample size. And it's $21 a month, I believe. I pay for mine yearly. When you pay for it yearly, you get 1 full month for free. So it's pretty cool. I'll put a link in the description. The link, I do get like points for it if you use it. If you don't want to use the link and you're interested, you can just go to boxycharm.com. So I know a couple of products that are in here because I've seen them on Instagram. So I'm going to start with the first thing, which is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. All of the Boxycharms had one of these palettes, but there were 3 options. So I don't know which one this is. This is the volume 3. The packaging is super pretty. So this is they're all shimmers. I think they might all be shimmers. I think they're all shimmers. So I've been really enjoying shimmers recently, so this should be fun to play with. It'll be obviously a palette that is like a supplement to other palettes, because I mean, I could do a look with all shimmers, but I don't see myself doing that. I like to have some kind of matte. This also I did not know or expect. So this is a Bite Beauty amuse-bouche. I love the Bite. I'm going to try not to drop anything in this video. I love Bite Beauty. They have like all of their lipsticks have hydrating ingredients in them. The color of this is Gin Fizz. I do really like the packaging of them. It's got like a little bite out of it. They're cute. However, I don't like that I can't see the color. And they all have names that make it kind of hard to know what the colors are going to be. So this is kind of a cool toned pink. So this is pretty. This is something that I will definitely wear. It's probably more pink than I would have picked out for myself if I were getting it for myself, but it will definitely be used. Then we have, this is called Starlooks Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. Are you black? So this, I actually have a full-size bottle of this already. I love this. Focus. This is the Briogeo Repair, Don't Despair Repair. And this is just like a leave-in mask. So this makes my hair so soft. And it really does help a lot with like frizziness. So I already know that I love this. And the last thing is something that I know I will love as well. It's Tatcha. If you haven't seen my Project Pan video, I have been obsessed with Tatcha lately. I have the silk canvas, and then I also actually right next to me have the Luminous Dewy Skincare. So this and the silk canvas came together with a couple of facial creams in the, it was called Bento Box for makeup lovers. It was one of their Christmas boxes. I love this so much. The smell is not necessarily my favorite just because it's, I don't know, not my favorite smell. I don't really even know how to explain the scent. But I love how it makes my face look, and I love what it does to my makeup. So these are essentially the masks that would go with that. The mask feeds skin with our signature trio of Japanese anti-aging superfoods, green tea, rice, and algae to help restore skin's youthful radiance. So these are very exciting. Even though there are only 2 of them, Tatcha is high, like they're not middle of the road. They are high end. They're very expensive, and I'm super excited. So the first card that I pulled out has the prices for everything. So the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair is $16, which I already knew that because I get mine at Sephora. The Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea, so the palette is $36. The Longwear pencil, I was hoping that it said on here whether or not this was black. I'm going to end up just opening it. I know that I am. When I do my video actually using the eyeshadow palette and the lipstick, I'll use the pencil as well. My other black pencil that I'm currently using is in my project pan, but it only has about this much left, and it needs to be sharpened, so it's going to be gone soon. Also, if you can hear scratching, that's my dog trying to get in. So $19 for this pencil from a brand I've never heard of. The Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask in a 2-pack, $24, which I absolutely believe that these are $12 a piece. And there is a code on here for Tatcha. Free gift with purchase of $75 or more on your first order at tatcha.com. The code is Boxy19. It's good January 8th to February 7th of 2019. So if you're going to go to Tatcha, also before using this, I would look, because I know that they, almost every time I go to their website, they have some sort of a promotion. I would look and see what other promotions they have. And then the Bite lipstick, $26. I've never paid $26 for a Bite lipstick because I always manage to find them on sale. But they are amazing quality, and if you buy it full price at Sephora, they're $26. Again, I've never paid that. Just me. I'm not yet at a place in my life where I can justify $26 for one lipstick, but it is great lipstick. There is also a code for Bite Beauty, so it's bitebeauty.com, 20% off any $50 plus purchase with code Boxycharm20 from January 8th to March 7th of 2019. For the codes, you do not have to be a subscriber. They don't know whether you're a subscriber or not, so they're just codes that anybody can use. And if you're going to buy something directly from Bite Beauty, I strongly recommend using the code. So if I had purchased all of these products myself at full price, it would have been $121. So that's, considering that it's a $21 subscription box, means there's $100 worth of free stuff. And I will say these alone make it worth it for me because, again, I love Tatcha, and these are absolutely worth the $24. I can see myself paying $24 for these. So that alone is more than the cost of the box. Also, I'm almost out of this and would have been replacing it soon. So again, that's $16 I would have spent. So that's like $40 that it literally kept me from spending. So overall, yes, absolutely worth it this month. I have yet to have, I had one box that I didn't like, that I wasn't overly impressed with last year. I think it was like September or October, but I've been doing Boxycharm for a year next month, and I am rarely do I have anything that I'm disappointed in. Like, it's not even, I've yet to have a single box that there wasn't something in there that was of the value of the box. And most of my boxes, the value that I get out of it is much more than the box. Also, Boxycharm does not count against my low buy. It is something that I get it for myself for my birthday, and it doesn't count. Also, brushes don't count. I did order some brushes from Smith Cosmetics. That doesn't count against my low buy. If you disagree, feel free to tell me in the comments. Okay, so also, I will probably say this again in another video for people that don't watch this. For my panning project, I am taking out the Too Faced foundation. It's not, it's not working for me. I've tried using it 3 days in a row. I have used it 3 days in a row, but because I'm not enjoying my base, I'm not enjoying my makeup as much, and that is just really unfortunate. So I think I'm going to replace it with this. This is about here. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus HD in the shade Rose Ivory. And if you aren't familiar with this foundation, it's very inexpensive. You get it, so full price, it's like $6 US. If you were to get it, you can usually get it for like 40-50% off, so you can get it for like $3. And I love it. So this is actually one of my favorite foundations. It smells like paint. Everybody who you ever hear talk about this will mention that it smells like paint, like straight up paint. The smell dissipates as soon as it's on your face, but it does not smell lovely. So I do want to go ahead and use this up. I'm going to see if there is anybody that I know who is fair-skinned that I can pass the Too Faced off to, because it's just not working for me, and I'm not going to torture myself and make myself use something that I don't like just to use it up when it's making me not love all of my other makeup. So yeah, that's the update on that. I also really want to put this lipstick on. Is it going to look ridiculous? Yes. Their lipsticks smell so good. They smell like peppermint, sort of. I need to exfoliate my lips a lot. So this color looks a little crazy with no other makeup on. With my makeup done, especially if I did like a dark smoky eye, I think I would really like this color. Also, one last thing, lighting. So I got soft boxes. I got a set of 2, very inexpensive. They are honestly just for the tripods that they came on. I'm surprised at how inexpensive they were. If I hadn't been ordering them through Amazon, where I know that I have a money-back guarantee, I would have been really concerned about it. But I have only set up one of them because they were a pain in the ass to set up. So I have one on this side of me, and then on this side of me I just have a regular lamp still. But let me know if this lighting is better, worse, too much, not enough. I will set up the other softbox tonight, and then the next video that I shoot, I'll have both of them on. So that is it. Lots of rambling, as always, because I talk a lot. I hope that you are all having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Bye.